Hey everyone, I'm Essie. One of the things I really enjoy is drawing, so I wanted to share a little bit of my process today. A few days ago, June brought home these beautiful hydrangeas. I love their soft, mixed colors, so today I'm gonna draw them my way and record a bit of the process. Hope you enjoy it. First, I make a quick rough sketch in my notebook just to plan the shapes. Hydrangeas are so cute to me, all the tiny petals huddled together, so I imagine them looking happy and draw them that way, like giving each petal its own little face. Then I move to my sketchbook and use a light green Hydrangeas colored pencil for the sketch. Actually, I always wonder what color I should use for baselines. Today I chose light green because it feels warm and blends nicely with purple. If anyone knows a good color for base sketches, please let me know in the comments. I lightly erase the sketch lines, then use a slightly darker color to draw a petal's faces. This helps me later when I color. Next, I color with purple PanPastels. I found this material recently and I really love the texture. Matte, soft, and airy. It also works really well with the colored pencils I use. I blend the colors softly, thinking about light and shadow. After covering the base with PanPastel, I add detail with colored pencils. It's my favorite part. I love watching the shapes slowly come to life. If I make a mistake, I just erase it. PanPastels and colored pencils erase pretty well, so fixing things is easy. I add a bit of bright yellow, and to make the petals look like they're dancing, fluttering, I softly blend the edges with the brush. Yeah, this is how I draw, just following my mood. I'm a beginner and totally self-taught, so my drawings might look a little messy, but I draw the way I want and it makes me really happy. I hope you can feel that too. Thanks for watching, and if you have any fun tips or better ways to draw, please share in the comments. Bye!